If you've already uploaded your budgets for the year, you may need to make some manual adjustments to them. Rather than export the files and re-import them, you can do adjustments directly in Business Central. So if you go to your GL budgets and click on the budget that you're interested in, by default it will probably come up with all of your chart of accounts, maybe with your income statement only, and you'll see whatever budget amounts you've got sitting there already. The key here is that if you are budgeting down to dimension levels, you need to adjust your filters and your views so that what you are entering relates to a dimension. If I just entered a budget figure here right now against this 4100, it would be sitting here at a high level without any dimension information. So this is where using the filters starts to come in. So using your date filter gives you the periods, and you probably still want your months across as columns. If you're just doing a single GL account, let's take my 4100, then you might want to put a GL account filter on. Now, if you're filtered to a single account, then looking at the account on the rows doesn't make much sense. So this is where you might then want to pull in your department codes. So now we can see my different departments, and we know that I'm entering for 4100. So my dates have dropped off, so I'm just going to put my dates back in. Okay, and so now I've got my periods there. Okay, so now I can take with 4100, let's put 5,000 here, and we'll put 3,000 here. Okay, so overall my budget in 4100 should now be 8,000. So if I change back to GL account in my rows, we're seeing that it's the rolled up amount, and if we drill into it, we're getting the split out. The original 2 is where I took in and out the 10,000. So it keeps track of that. So play with the filters to get the view that you want, and make sure that you're coding it down to a dimension level if you're using dimensions. If you have mass adjustments to make to your budget, you would be better to export the budget, make your changes and re-import it.